So high school students are feeling a lot of stress. I think that we can all remember from our own high school days that it's a somewhat stressful time. However, there's a lot of evidence to show that depression and anxiety are on the rise, and that's coast to coast. It's a public health issue.
It's relieving stress, but building your confidence on top of the relief.
Usually, when I think negative thoughts, like 10 minutes later I think about the positive, because like I get upset of the negative thoughts, and thinking of the positive thoughts help me through the negatives.
The purpose of that exercise was to help build an awareness and to help the kids learn how to notice the negative self-talk that floods our minds every day. I mean, as human beings, we all know and we can all relate to the fact that we have this kind of inner monologue that is continually going. And quite often, not always, but quite often, a lot of those thoughts are negative when they're about ourselves. And so over the course of my time with these students, we've been calling it kind of the inner critic or negative self-talk. And so those are ideas and concepts and realities, frankly, that we've been talking about for the last 6 or 7 weeks. And so the purpose of that, once you identify the negative self-talk, well, then you have a moment of choice where you can replace it with something else. But if we don't identify the thoughts, then we're lost in them. And when we're lost in them, we believe them. And of course, when they're negative and when we believe them, then they bring us down.